So, welcome to GDG on Campus Esprit info session related to Cloud Study Jams. I am Ahmed Hamda, the lead presenter today. I am also the organizer of the events of the club. This is Bassem Khouni, our co-organizer.
Hello everyone. I'm Bassem Khouni. I'm first year engineering at Esprit, and I'm the co-lead of GDG on campus.
Okay, we're gonna talk about all the core team. We're gonna go next to Malik Labidi, our mentor, and formerly our GDGoC organizer of last mandates. We have Aziz Nairi, our co-mentor. He was the co-lead for last year. We have Samah Aishi, our human resources mentor, who is past year's lead in the human resources department. We have Osama Hriz, our marketing manager, who will lead the marketing department. We have Iya Flawi, who is the marketing mentor, who will be guiding our marketing lead. We have Salma Swag, who is the machine learning manager. We have Rinad Lazaruk, who is the machine learning mentor. Also, in the security department, we have Haytham Ben Musa, our security manager, and his mentor, Jihad Baqalti. In the technology department, we have Yusr Bisaad, our technology manager, and Muhammad Rain Zafouri, our technology mentor. Okay, so we're gonna move to the key points. What is GDG on campus? GDG timeline, some of our previous events, what's Google Cloud Skill Boost, and a deep dive into Cloud Study Jams. We have a surprise at the end with the Cloud Study Jams, so stay tuned. Okay, what is GDG on campus? GDG, which is Google Developer Groups on Campus, is a global program by Google developers to bridge the gap between theory and practice. GDG on Campus are campus-based groups specifically designed to support aspiring developers on university campuses to learn and build successfully with Google technologies. By joining GDG, students grow their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and their community. These are some of Google technology that we used in the past and we might use in the next workshops and other events. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about the GDG timeline. This is the global GDG timeline. How did GDG start? Okay, GDG was named DSC at the first iteration, Developer Student Club. It started in India in 2017. It was created to help students get great career readiness and secure employment in the tech industry. Then it expanded to Indonesia and Sub-Saharan Africa until 2019, when DSC was rebranded to GDSC and was opened in MENA in 2019. Then, in 2025, GDSC transitioned into GDG on campus. Okay, now we're gonna talk specifically to our timeline where everything started back in 2019, when our community was known as GDG Esprit. Since then, we've organized many great events. One of our biggest events was Hack to Escape in 2022, a hackathon with an escape room concept that brought together development, cloud, and security. It took place in Block H at Esprit. Then during the 2023 mandate, we organized PI Ready in a collaboration with the EEE Club. It was a 1-month program designed to help third-year students prepare for their PI projects. We also launched MENA Tech Skill Boosts, an event for students across the Middle East, Europe, Africa region, focused on Google Cloud and AI. We'll be talking more about that later. Okay, why GDGoC? We connect, learn, grow, and have access to events and activities. So, what do we do? GDG is here to empower you with all the resources that we have so that you can develop a solution for a problem that you care about. Some solutions are projects, events, talks, and networkings. Projects are generally department-based, following the department that you join in. Events are divided into two sections, internal events and external events. The internal events are led by leads to their members of their respective departments, and the public events are generally leads or tutors or speakers who present an event to the public. We have also some talks and we network. What did you do last year? We started last year by an SGS workshop and then followed it by a general assembly, and then we did a series of workshops and study groups. Some of them are machine learning fundamentals, so machine learning basics for everyone. And then we did a certification study group, which was 2 events in 14th and 15th December that prepared us for a blockchain certification. Then we did our second general assembly. And we started doing the workshops and the study groups, which are internals, like for the ML department, the cleaning workshop, and everything else. Yes, we have had. Okay, anyways. We also did our famous Formula PI bootcamp, which was a bootcamp for the second and third year students, which helps students pass their PI projects by providing tutors who are able to teach them and to help them with tips and tricks. We also did a bunch of internal events, such as from raw data to insights. It was an internal event by the ML department. A cyber practice range cybersecurity workshop. It was an internal event by the cybersecurity department. And building a RESTful API with Express.js. It was a technology department event. Okay. We also kept doing the Formula API for 3 consecutive weeks. The third week we did some third year work. It was like Java FX and some Symfony. And then we did at the last year, the finishing event, Google interview prep, how to ace your interview with Google Poland, a collaboration. So we're gonna talk a little bit about Cloud Skill Boosts. What is Cloud Skill Boost? Cloud Skill Boost is an online learning platform designed to help individuals and teams upskill their knowledge and proficiency in Google Cloud technologies. The platform offers a variety of training options from beginner to expert levels, including learning paths, courses, and skill badges, with the goal of preparing users to earn industry-recognized certifications. Basically, all the content on Google Cloud Skill Boosts covers a wide range of topics such as cloud fundamentals, AI intelligence, AI, and machine learning. It also covers generative AI, especially Gemini products, and Vertex AI, who is an AI sandbox provided by Google. There is also data analytics and application development. The platform provides hands-on digital credentials known as skill badges, which demonstrates practical application of skills in real-world scenarios. Those badges could be displayed on your CV, and they are somewhat valuable to your career. Okay, here is an example of the different paths that you can take with Google. These are learning paths. You can take them. These are a series of workshops that are hands-on and self-based. So you basically open the workshop. You have an allotted time. You do the workshop. You try to do it under the required time and do all the tasks and objectives. When you pass everything, you get a huge chunk of the big certification that Google offers. You get a huge chunk that you did already, and basically you get each week 35 credits. But if you are a member with GDG on campus, you basically have unlimited credits and you could do all the workshops you want. Okay, now we're gonna move to the Cloud Study Jams.
So, hello everyone, I'll be taking this part. Thank you, Ahmed. I hope that it was a good presentation. You have learned at least some of our programs that we help us to connect and learn more. So basically, when we are talking about the new program that Google has recently updated us with, we are talking more about cloud study jams 2025. It's basically available in Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Okay, so what is actually the cloud study jams about? We have mainly four topics. First one is to learn the fundamentals of Google Cloud. Next, we have access to exclusive courses on Google Skill Boost platform, the one that already Ahmed talked about. Upskill your community with technology like cloud computing and generative AI, and also expand your learning and be industry ready. So anyone who is based in Europe, Middle East, and Africa is eligible. It's basically open to everyone, and mainly we are in Africa, so everyone has access to learn about this new program. So how the campaign structure is working? Basically, every GDG on campus have a program team with the main core team, which will be us assisting to make the participant get to know this program and basically start learning. So feel free to share the link publicly. This is the steps that we're going to start basically to learn about this program. So you're gonna start to register. This is the link. You can scan the QR code also. The deadline will be 31 of October. And when the deadline ends, basically you can't register anymore. I think this is the best time to start learning this program. So for the step two, we'll be having receive and redeem the code to start learning. The deadline to complete this course will be 20 November. And this is actually the learning path. We'll be starting by getting to know Google Cloud Learning Path. It's for beginner friendly. It will be labs and we'll be here to assist you. Introduction to generative AI learning path, basically building and modernizing application using generative AI. And finally, Gemini for Google Cloud Learning Path. Next. Each course have its own takes times. So basically, the first one have 24 hours. You can complete it. The second one takes you 8 hours, and the third one is 18 hours, and the last one is 14 hours, 45 minutes. But it doesn't take all this hour. Just to have the access time of 24 hours to complete it, or 8 or 18, depends on each path. We're ready to follow the order, but you can process with yours, and you can choose what you want to learn. And basically, there is some gifts. Next, Ahmed will be talking about the gifts getting. It's called swags. So talking about swags, if you complete two paths, choose one of basically what you want. You'll be getting stickers, socks with the logo, and the tote bag. And if you complete if you complete the four paths, we'll be having a tote bag also, and socks and stickers, but also a bottle of water or a cap with the logos of Google Cloud.
Okay.
So if anyone have any questions in general, please share it. We'll be answering all of them, and we'll be having also some questions from our story that we shared recently. And if anyone want to talk, please raise your hand, and we will be addressing your question. If you feel free to ask in English, Arabic, or even French, we'll be here to assist.
Yes, Fahd.
عاصمات صافية. Juste عندي question à propos de la plateforme Cloud Skill Boost. من الأول في أول البرزنتيشن نورمالمون you mentioned البلاتفورم معناها للممبرز تاع جوجل ديفلوبرز باش تكون فري وعندها جونغ unlimited credits. بعديك ظهر لي قريت اللي فما limited credits.
here right.
بدي خبر هذا هذيك هي هذيك limited.
basically البروجرام هذايا كلاود ستدي جامز عندك الحق في 400 كريدتس، وال 400 كريدتس هذوما يكفيوك باش تكمل اكثر معناتها بالراحه، معناتها اكثر من زوز لابس، زوز ونص ثلاثه، معناتها كان معود حتى لاب تنجم بالكش تكمل من 4. اما بيسكلي معناتها هما ليميتد كريدتس للايفنت على خاطر نجموش يعطيو العباد الكل انفيني ومن بعدها العباد تولي تابيوزي في الكريدتس. So they just did this system. Basically when you join GDG Esprit, any GDG basically باش يجيو دي بروجرام على طول العام، وكل مره باش يجيو opportunities باش تدبر معناتها كريدتس ببلاش وبرسمي معناتها على ما قد ما تعمل، على ما قد ما صعيب تشوفها لك الكل معناتها بالكلوب.
D'accord, donc هذه معناتها الكلاود ستدي جامز.
Yes, it is open for everyone. That's why.
داكور. وفما معناها فما دو بلاتفورم، فما الكلاود ستدي جامز وفما الكلاود سكيلز بوست.
خليني نزيد نفسر لك. ريت الكلاود سكيل بوست it is the base معناتها لا باز نتاع الكلاود ستودنت جام، الكلاود ستدي جام سوري. الكلاود ستدي جامز هذو معناتها كيف نقول احنا بلاي ليست، سيت اون بلاي ليست نتاع 4 تراكس معناتها 4 تراكس، ويختاروا كلكو لابز اللي هما معناتها بريديفيني من عندهم هما، ومن بعدها العباد الكل تعديهم. اما هذوما اللابس الكلهم ديجا موجودين على البلاتفورم كلاود سكيل بوست، معناتها تنجم تدخلهم ديريكتومون من غير ما تتعدى بالكلاود ستدي جامز. الكلاود ستدي جامز هي انيشيتيف تعاونك باش تنجم معناتها تدخل غراتويتمون تعمل دي فورماسيون غراتويتمون سويفون التراك هذايا.
داكور فهمتك، ميرسي بوكو. جوست كيما بالك كونغراتس على البريزنتيشن مزيانه ويعطيكم الصحه.
Just I will be taking some question from our recent story. So basically, if you are asking about the recruitment and all of the details, the recruitment is already open. Basically, we started the recruitment 2 weeks ago. It's still open. You can hurry up and complete the form if you are interested. Basically, with any department, marketing, security, technology, machine learning, and HR. Those are our 5 departments. And for anyone asking about the process of the interviews and all of that, will be soon getting your emails that you are accepted in the phase 1, and basically will be next selected to the interview process. I hope that I made everything clear. If you still have any question, please tell us.
Yes.
Yes, Hussein.
I just a question about the overall work of the group and the club. I really enjoyed the workshops and it's so detailed and I love it. However, I'm just asking about projects. Like I was thinking, does the club have offer projects like we work together on something like that?
Okay, Hussein Eddin. What are you specifically talking about? Which department and?
Excuse me. Okay, so I'm talking in AI. In AI, I was thinking I'll be in a club with AI department, and maybe they have kind of projects and stuff they want to work on, like research or something like that. So I was thinking, is it possible or does it exist already?
عسلامة حسام. So to answer your question, yes, sure, we will have a project كيف ما كل عام, project machine learning. فوالا دونك ليدي نتاع البروجي باش تكون مقترحة من لي ممبر، كان فما حاجة سبيسيفيك يحبوا يتعلموها ولا باش تكون من لي ممبر يعني، وفوالا.
Okay, thank you so much.
كاين نوت الكيسيون تاعك؟
Yeah, perfectly actually. Thank you so much for the answer and you answered it well. Thank you.
I think Fad also have a question. Still Fad have a question, or I will be answering another question.
Oui. عندي كيستيون أخرى. عندي كيستيون أبروبو ال HR ديبارتمنت وال marketing ديبارتمنت. جوست حبيت نعرف شنو هما لي زاكتيفيتي نتاعهم في لي بروجي نتاع جي دي جي.
اوكي فهمت. بارابور لل HR department basically ال HR department يتقسم معناتها على plusieurs rôles. عندك bien sûr ال HR lead، عندك ال logistical و sponsoring manager، وعندك ال HR team member. généralement ال HR باش لهين في الكلوب نتاعنا في les organisations des événements وفي ال recruiting phases وفي ال event phases. معناتها هما يبداو هما السكيلت بتاع الكلوب معناتها literally. Also yes, we have sponsoring in the HR department. And بارابور لل marketing department ما عندوش دي بروجي على طول العام كيف ما لي كلوب كيف ما لي ديبارتمون الاخرين. عنده كومباني نجم يديها، وهو تو اللي يزيد يفسرلك اكثر. تفضل اسامه.
بارابول الماركتينج ديبارتمنت، احنا نحاولوا نفيزيو انه كيفاش نحاولوا نوريو لي زيفينمون تاعنا كيفاش يصيروا باحسن صوره معناتها، باش ما نظلموش كل ايفينمون. ينجم يكون ايفينمون طياره، اما معناتها الفيديوهات ولا الصور ولا اي حاجه تكون فيها نجم يكونوا خايبين. دونك نحاولوا نعملوا بروسيس، وقاعدين نحاولوا نخدموا كتيم باش تحب ولا تكره. احنا قاعدين نتعلموا، ماناش قاعدين في خدمه. دونك كل مره باش نشوفوا اوبجيكتيف نتعلموه ونحاولوا نديفلوبيو فيه. وكل عبد يكون في وسط الماركتينج نحاولوا نشوفوا هو فيش حاجه معناتها القوي فيها، اسكو تكون فيديو اديتور ولا في معناتها اي حاجه تابعه للماركتينج. دونك نشوفوه ونحاول ديما نحسنوا فيها. وعادي حتى كان يحب يبدا مثلا يكون هو فيديو اديتور، يحب يتعلم شويه في الفوتوشوب ويحب يقد ديزابيش، دونك نخليوه يتعلم ونشوفوا كل واحد باش مغروم باش يحب يقد. ديما نحاول نشوفوا افكار جديده، نشوفوا حاجات تكون هكا كرياتيف.
داكور فهمتك بصح. جوست خاطر حبيت نسال الكيستيون هذيا خاطر انا على باز معناتها نخدم ياسر في الماركتينغ في سواء فيديو اديتنج ولا ديزاين وكل. مي حبيت ندخل الجي دي جي باش ننهنسي سكيلز نتاعي في التيك. مي نجم نكولابوريتي في الزوز
ما قلقش كان انت تحب تدخل تشوف تطلع حتى تعاون، مش بالضروره تكون معناتها سبيسيالمون في الماركتينغ. ما فما حتى مشكل. حتى عندك افكار ولا تحب تساهم في المساعده ولا اللي هو ما فماش مشكل. احنا مش نخدموا كتيم، مانيش نخدموا معناتها كل واحد وحده. وكل تيم نشوفوا حاجتنا بعضنا نفهم شيء ان شاء الله.
ان شاء الله. ميرسي بوكو.
بس زيد تخلي نزيد حاجه اخرى على اللي قالوا الليد. يعطيه صحه الليد ساعه والحاجه اللي قالوا. That's it معناتها basically that's it. اما الخدمه معناتها نتاعك entre deux départements yes تنجم تعملها if you upkeep معناتها your first department's work and you want to collaborate and you want to contribute to other departments. معناتها most of the time the other معناتها you have to contact the lead and the lead will say yes. خاطر كي واحد يرى ممبر نافع وحاب يخدم ومغروم you can't say no. فهمت معناتها apply and yes we'll see.
داكور ميرسي بوكو.
يس مريم.
سلامة.
عسلامة.
اسمعوا فيا. حبيت نسأل الكورسس متاع ستادي جام، اسكو في أي وقت نجم نبداه ولا مازال ما تحلوش منه؟
به بارابور الكورسز نتاع ستادي جام الكورسز ديجا محلولين. معناتها توا تنجم تدخل ستيب 1 هي تدخل على اللينك هذايا اي كونت جوجل نتاعك. تنجم حتى من كونت اسبري تدخل عليه وتابع ستيبس نتاع الريجستريشن. ومن بعدها باش تستنى نهار، وكي تعدى نهار باش يبعثوا لك ان ايميل فيه هو ان اوتر كود هي ستيب 2. وهذا الكود لازم تحطه في وسط تو معناتها هما يعطيوك الدوكيومونطاسيون كلها ظاهره واضحه على الاخر. جوست معناتها تنزل على اللينك هذايا والبروسيس الكل تلقاه. بيسيكلي الستيب 1 معناتها اللي باش تنزل على اللينك هذايا وباش تريجستري فيه توفى 31 اكتوبر. ومن بعدها ستيب 2 معناتها تخدم خدمتك وذاك الكل 20 نوفمبر يوفى معناتها yes it is open and you can work already.
Just to add to what Ahmed just said, you will be receiving a confirmation mail. I just can't share with you because there is some codes and details, but you'll be telling you that you are completely registered. You have the full access to the 4 courses. There will be steps you need to activate your code, but basically you need to have first of all a Google Cloud Skill Boost account at least. Then you will be starting to learn your path. And if you have any trouble not finding the necessary information or anything, you can request the help from one of us, if Ahmed or me or any one of the leads that will be here today with us. Anytime. We are basically reachable in Instagram and Facebook. If you want, just send a message, and as soon as we see it, we respond to it.
ميرسي. جست على خاطر انا ديجا عملت معناتها توا الريجستريشن والكل، من بعد نلقى في الكونت معناها بتاع جوجل فما افيلبل كورسز، ونلقى الفور كورسز اللي ديجا حكيتوا عليهم نتوما توا معناتها مكتوبة تنجم get started. هذاك عليه حبيت نسأل.
So basically you could تنجم تبدا ديريكتومون توا، اما كوم انت معناتها نون جي دي جي ممبر عندك 35 كريدي معناتها تنجم تبدا الكورسز الكلهم، كل ما يطلب عليك دي كريدي تعملهم. اما لو مومون يوفى لي كريدي نتاعك ومازلت معناتها وانت فات النهار ومازالوا نبعثوا شكل الايميل اللي فيه الكود اللي باش تحطه باش تاخذ الكريديتس الاخرين، باش تقعد بانسيش معناتها تنجمش تعمل لابس. اما توا ديريكتومون تنجموا تبداو وتعملوا لابس، عندكم 35 كريدي مونثلي رينوفلي وكل شهر. معناتها كنت حاب تبدا على روحك توا ابدا على روحك، مرحبا.
جست حاجة أخرى، معني هما الكريدي كيفاش ينقصوا؟
باهي
كل كورس ينقص منها كريدي ولا كيفاش؟
بيسيكلي كي تجي تحل الباث، من بعد باش تحل الباث باش تلقى معناتها بليزيور دوت موديول، ومن بعدها باش بعد لي موديول هذوك الكل باش تلقى اللابز. باهي خلينا نوريك مثلا اكزامبل. باش ترى تيتر نتاع اللاب كلاود اي ام ايدنتيتي اكسس مانجمنت كويك ستارت لاب 45 مينوت دوري. هنايا ان كريدي هذا قداش باش تكونسومي كل مره، وهنا عندك كوتا سبيسيفيك تاع دي كريدي 35 كريدي كل شهر. كي يوفيلك الكريدي نتاعك الكلهم تولي معناتها تولي ما تنجم تعمل لابز، اما مازلت تنجم تعمل دي فيديو، مازلت تنجم تعمل دي كويز. So that's about it basically.
فهمتك. ميرسي.
If you have still any questions, feel free to ask, or I'll be taking some question from our Instagram post. Yes, تفضل مريم.
le recrutement وقتاش باش تبداو معناها؟
Yes, so we'll be soon announcing the recruitment. We are already in phase of recruitment, but the selection will be next week. Just take yes, Jihad.
عاصمة just adding to what أحمد said على قبيلة على شنو تنجم تعمل بالكريدي بالضبط على في اللابز نتاع جوجل كلاود. just حبيت نحكي على إنه النمبر معناه is not fix بين عبد وعبد، خاطر it's basically based على السكيلز نتاع العبد. خاطر مثلا أنت تنجم تحل اللاب نتاعك وما تكملوش في الوقت اللي هو يسيبولك، خاطر كما قال أحمد باش يسيبولك يا كومبيوتينغ يا اي تولز يا حاجات اللي باش يستعملوا لهم من سيرفراتهم مي which is paid معناها most of the time. اما بالنسبه للسكيل بوست باش يسيبوهم لنا بلاش حسب الكريدت اللي عندك. يعني كانك انت معناها already skilled معناها وفاميليار معناها بالجوجل كلاود سيرفيسز باش تكون تنجم تكمل لابز معناها most of them المره الاولى. مي كانك انت مازلت جديد واللاب يبدا صعيب شويه مثلا تنجم تعاودوا مرتين ثلاثه. That's what Ahmed wanted to say, just to clarify. Man. Yeah, yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Jihad. Yes, basically that's why there is some labs it takes 24 hours or 18 hours. You have all the time to redo it as much as you can. I think we'll be taking one last question. Everyone who is asking about the process of the interview and how we take our candidates. Basically, our process of selection depends of the level of your skills. We need the basic knowledge to start to learn together, and we require some. We require to know some basics if you are in the security department or technology department or machine learning department to be joining us. And also what is most importantly is your motivation to learn and be adding something to the team. I think Manar still have a question, and we'll be concluding our session today.
Hi, I just wanted to ask if there will be a certificate after completing the Cloud Study Jams course.
Basically, you'll have multiple certificates going on with each path. When you finish a path, you will get a certificate, and when you finish all four, you will get like all four certificates plus another certificate. You could look at this by typing the arcade Google. This is an event, a monthly event, which opens some pre-selected labs that you could do to get badges. So yeah, my reply to you, yes, you will get a completion badge.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for joining us today. I hope that the info session made you learn more about the GDG in campus, and especially in Esprit at least. We hope to see you again, even with us as members or in our next events. Thank you for being here. And if you have still any issues with everything, contact us. And hope to see you soon with us. Good afternoon, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you, everyone.